If you hate eating cold food at work like me, wait till you see this. This is actually something I discovered because of my coworker, and it changed how I bring my lunch. So this is the Annie and Mia electric lunchbox, and I first noticed this because of my coworkers was using it at work. And what surprised me was she never used a microwave for food. So she never compete with most of us that need microwave at work. We are 100 employee in the first shift, so we really need to go quick heat up our food. So this one really is a good idea to have. That's why I asked her about this lunchbox. So then I decided to get one for myself, and now I've been using it for my meals, even for my not sliced fruits, because I have to put it in a different container. First thing I really love is the size. This is the 3.5 liter capacity, so it's actually pretty big compared to a regular lunchbox. So you're going to get a 2.5 stainless steel container, small fruit tray, and spoon and fork. I'm going to tell you the features of this one. It also have two-layer design which helps keep your food separated. So your fruit, rice, meat, everything stays organized and you don't get that mixed smell. So if you don't need both layers, you can just use one, which makes it really flexible depending on your meal. So it uses a 100 watts heating system, and you just plug it and you can sit in your car, office, or even in a truck. It takes only 20 to 30 minutes to warm up your food, so it heats up evenly, so just in one spot. Also has the PTC heating system, which means it controls the temperatures automatically. So your food won't overheat or burst, which is make it really easy to use. I mean, safe to use. So this is perfect for office workers, drivers, or anyone who wants a hot meal without a hassle. The cleaning is super easy because the stainless steel container is removable. You can wash it by hand or just throw it in the dishwasher, or even comes with the sponge, right? So the outside feels sturdy and it has handles, so it's easy to carry around even if you're bringing all the full meals. So guys, if you are interested in this one, they are available in Amazon and definitely worth checking it out, right? Thank you guys.